Hello friends, today we are at Eco-Urban Village. We had a good time over here and today we are going to show you how to make a paper frog. So let's start. You need a square-shaped paper and I am going to take the paper out from an envelope. First of all, you need to fold this paper in a triangle shape. And then cut this extra part. For this, you are going to fold it like this and cut it like this. No need of this paper. Now you are going to fold it in a rectangle, not in a triangle shape again. Now you can see a rectangle shape. Now again you are going to fold it in a triangle shape. Same over here. Now open it. Now you can see a cross, one triangle over here and one triangle over here. Now take these triangles and fold it into another big triangle. And now you have seen these corners. Take it and fold it like the rose petals. It's done. And now we're going to fold it in a rectangular shape. Now you're going to fold it into half so that you get space over here. And now you are going to fold it like this. Again fold this half over here. You are getting the space over here also. Let's do the same. And now you are going to fold it in a rectangular shape. And then we're going to make two triangles. Take these two triangles and fold it like a boat. Your paper frog is almost ready. Now you are going to fold it in a triangle. Same over here. Now your paper frog is ready. It jumps also like this. If the grasses are here, that's why it cannot jump, but it will jump very nice. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.